Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about a new chapter, commercial arithmetics. There are two types of interest is there. First one is simple interest. First one is simple interest. Second one is compound interest. Yesterday we have discussed about only simple interest. How to calculate it by simple interest? How to calculate by simple interest means own interest calculated by every year or every time period on the original principal. Only simple interest calculated by only every year or else every time period on the original principal. That is the sum at the beginning of the sum of the beginning of first year, which is interest is called simple interest. Is what is the definition of the simple interest or else how to find the simple interest means whenever interest is calculated by every year or every time period on the original principal. Only we are calculating per year interest on the original principal amount. That is the sum of the money beginning, the sum at the beginning of first year, which interest is called a simple interest. Simple interest formula is PTR by 100, where P is called principal. Principal is nothing but principal means what? It is sum of money is deposited. It is called a principal. P is called principal. Sum of money is deposited or taking some loan amount, it is called a principal. Principal is nothing but it is sum of money is deposited, it is called a principal, or sum of deposited money or borrowed or lent, it is called a principal. Next is time. Duration for which the money is borrowed or lent. Duration for the money is borrowed or lent, it is called a time in year. Next, capital R is equal to rate of interest only on the principal. Rate of interest in percentage. P is the sum of the money is deposited or borrowed or lent, it is called a principal. Duration for which the money is borrowed or lent, it is called a time. The rate of interest, capital R is nothing but rate of interest, only interest charged on the principal amount. Next, capital amount formula is principal amount plus simple interest. P is nothing but principal, simple interest formula is PTR by 100. So only based on these two formulas we are solving the problem. So now we are going to problem. So understood what is the formula for the simple interest formula is PTR by 100. P is nothing but principal, T is nothing but time, R is nothing but rate of interest. Now we are going to problems. Very important, very easy. Only based on formulas only. First question. Find the simple interest. On 3,000 rupees for 7 years at 14% per annum. Per annum is per year. See the question. What is they asking? To calculate, find the simple interest means to calculate simple interest. Find the value of is simple interest. What is the principal amount? 3,000 is the principal amount. Time is the 7 years. Rate of interest is 14%. Then given principal amount to time is the 7 years. Rate of interest 14% they given to calculate simple interest. You have understood what are the given values? Principal amount they given, time they given, rate of interest they given to calculate simple interest. Now we are going to solution. Given that principal denoted by capital P is equal to the given principal amount is 3000 rupees. Next, time they given, time is equal to denoted by T of small n is equal to 7 years. Rate of interest denoted by capital R small r. Rate of interest they are given 14%. They are asking to calculate simple interest. We need to find the value is simple interest. What is the formula for simple interest? Simple interest is equal to, formula is PTR like a NTR. PTR by 100, you know NTR. Nandamori Taraka Rama like a PTR. And replace with P we can take. Simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Now substituting the values. What is the principal value? 3000 into time. Time how many years they given? 7 years into capital R is nothing but rate of interest. What is the percentage they given? 14 divided by 100. See here now, these two zeros get cancelled. What is the left of the elements? 30 into 7 into 14. 30 into 7 is 210 into 14. 14 into 0, 0. 14 into 1 is 14. Remaining 1 is there. 14 into 2, 28. 28 plus 1 is 2940 rupees. This is a simple interest for 7 years. Here, listen carefully. They are asking find the simple interest. Find the value of simple interest. They are given principal amount 3000. Capital P is equal to 3000. How many years they are given? 7 years. Means they are given duration for 7 years. Means time T is equal to 7 years. What is the rate of interest they are given per year? 14%. That's why we are taking rate of interest capital R is equal to 14%. We need to find the simple interest. That's why we are applying the simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Now substituting the values. Principal amount value is 3000 into time. How many years they given? 7 years into rate of interest is 14 by 100. 100 1 30. 30 into 7 is 210. 210 into 41 is 2940 rupees. This is the after 7 years. After 7 years, how much rate of interest they are getting? 2940 rupees. So you understood? It is clear how to find the simple interest. We are applying the simple interest formula. What are given values substitute in the formula? Finally we get the required values. Simple interest value is 2940 rupees. Everyone understood? It is clear. Very very important this question. Two marks question. Next we are going to second problem. Find the simple interest on 20,000. 20,000 for 4.5 years. 4.5 years at 9% per annum. 9% per annum. See the sense? Very very important this one also. 2 marks questions. Second question also they are asking find the simple interest. We are also to calculate simple interest. What is the principal amount they are given? 20,000 they are given. Principal amount they are given 20,000 rupees. Time how many years given? 4.5 years. 4.5 years can be written as 4.5 years. 4.5 is nothing but 4.5 years. Or else 2 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 12 also 4.5. 4.5 years nothing but 4.5 years. So what is the rate of interest given? 9% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. Read the question carefully. They are asking to calculate simple interest. The given principal amount is 20,000. The given time 4.5 year per annum. Rate of interest is 9%. To calculate simple interest. To calculate simple interest. So now we are going to solution. Given the principal amount they are given 20,000. Duration time they given 4.5 years. Can be written as 4.5 years. Rate of per annum. Rate of interest they given per annum 9%. What they are asking to calculate simple interest. That's why we are taking simple interest formula is PTR by 100 like a NTR by 100 like. So P is nothing but principal amount substitute. Substitute the PTR values. P value is 20,000 and T value is 4.5 and R value is 9 by 100. This 2 zeros get cancelled. Remaining is 200 into this is 4.5. This is 4.5 into 4.5 into 9. So now 2,200 into 4.5 into 9, that value is 8,100 rupees. 8,100 rupees. What is the simple interest get it finally? 8,100 rupees. The given principal amount is 2,000 rupees. The given time period 4.5 years. Per annum is per year. What is the interest is 9%. So now per year simple interest how much you are getting? 8,100 rupees per year. How much simple interest getting finally? 8,100 rupees. But understood? The given principal amount, that is nothing but P. The given duration of time period is time is equal to 4.5 years. Can be written as 4.5. It is possible or not? It is compulsory possible. What is the percentage given per annum? Rate of interest is given 9% per annum. We need to calculate simple interest. That's why we are taking simple interest form is PTR by 100. Now we are substituting the PTR values. P value is 20,000, T value is 4.5, R value is 9 divided by 100. 100 1 the 100 1 the. Or else this 2 0 this 2 get cancel. Remaining numerator 200 into 4.5 to 9 divided by 1 is this one only we are getting. That's why I am not writing denominator value. So 200 into 4.5. This is nothing but 18. So 4.5 is nothing but 9. 900 into 9 is 81. Or else this one right. Just one more step. If you want miss one more step you have to write. 200 into 4.5 is 900 into 9. This is nothing but 9 9 is 81. 81. So 8,100 rupees. One more step. So finally we got the simple interest per annum is 8,100 rupees. So everyone understood? It is clear? Next we are going to third problem. Very easy. Every value they are given only to calculate simple interest. First what they are asking? First read the question carefully. 18,000 for 4 years. On 12% annum. 12% per annum. See the third question also they given only to calculate simple interest. Third question also to calculate simple interest. What is the principal amount they are given? 18,000. They are given principal amount is 18,000 rupees. What is the time they are given? 4 years. Time they are given 4 years. Next they are given that is not a 12% per annum. 12.5% per annum. This what is the rate of interest they are given? 12.5. 12.5 is nothing but a 12.5%. 2 into 12 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 2 is nothing but 12.5. Or else 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. 12 into 0.5 is nothing but 12.5 interest. Listen carefully. The given principal amount, time duration time they given 4 years, rate of interest is 12%. Then given 12.5% can be written as 12.5. What they are asking? We need to calculate simple interest. We need to calculate simple interest. So now we are calculating simple interest. Simple interest formula is PTR by 100. So what is the P value? 18,000. 18,000 into time is 4 years, and what is the rate of interest? 12.5 divided by 100. So now this T0, this 2 zeros will cancel. Left of the element is 180 into 4 into 12.5. 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 32, even 3 is 4 into 4 plus is 720. 720 into 12.5 is equal to, that is simple interest. What is the value of 720 into 12.5? That value is 9,000 rupees. So per year, what is the simple interest we are getting? 9,000 rupees per year. Simple interest getting amount is 9,000 rupees. Everyone understood? They are given principal amount, duration and the given time T is equal to 4 years. The rate of interest per annum is equal to 12.5%. 12.5% is written as 12.5. What they are asking? We need to find simple interest. That's why we are applying simple interest formula is PTR by 100. Now substitute the values. Principal amount is 18,000 and time is 4 years and rate of interest is 12.5 divided by 100. This 2 0, this 2 0 get cancelled. Remaining value is 180 into 4 into 12.5. 180 into 4 into 12.5. Product of all three values. Finally we get the simple interest per year is 9,000 rupees. So everyone understood? It is clear? Now we are going to fourth problem. Now we are going to fourth problem. Find the simple interest on 600 rupees for 3 years, 3 months, 3 years, 3 months at 4% per annum. At 4% per annum. 4% per annum. See the question what they are given. Here also we need to find a simple interest. Here also we need to find simple interest. So what they are given? Principal amount denoted by capital P is equal to, they are given 600 rupees. They are given 600 rupees. Time T is equal to 3 years, 3 months. 3 years, 3 months. How to take in time? Each every time you have to convert into the per year. So 3 years is there. 3 years is equal to 3 years plus 3 months. Per year, how many months is there? There are 12 months is there. Now we are calculating per annum. That's why we are taking per year. That's why time also we have to convert per year. But already what is they given? 3 years, 3 months. So we are adding this one. 3 years means 3 plus 3 months. 3 months to convert to the year. Per year, how many months is there? There are totally 12 months is there. That's why 3 months divided by totally 12 months. So now we have to cancellation. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. It's nothing but 3 plus 1 by 4. Take LCM is 4. 3 into 4 is 12. Plus 1 into 1 is 1. It's nothing but 3 by 4. 13 by 4. Not 3 by 4. 13 by 4. Take LCM, the LCM is 1 into 4 is 4, cross product 3 into 4 is 12, plus 1 into 1 is 1, is nothing but 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4. Now time T is equal to 13 by 4. Listen once again, their T, they given 3 years, 3 months, but we need to calculate Per annum is per year. That's why total what is the given year, everything will be converted to the year. That's why 3 years they given. Okay, what they given? 3 months. 3 months to convert to the per year means, so here they given 3 months. That's why 1 year, how many months is there? They are totally 12 months. That's why 3 years is 3 plus 3 months to convert to the year means 3 divided by per year, how many months is there? They are total 12 months. That's why we are taking 3 by 12. But because of you are adding 3 years plus 3 months, that's why we are adding this one. 3 years already, this one year is there. This is not converted, the year already here. That's why we are taking 3 plus 3 months. This 3 months to convert to the year means 3 by total. How many months is there per year? 12 months is there. That's why we are taking divided by 12 months. Now 3 1 jar, 3 4 jar. What is the left element is 3 plus 1 by 4. After taking LCM, LCM is 1 into 4 is 4. 4 3 jar 12. 1 into 1 is 1. 12 plus 1 is 13 by 4. What is the time now? T is equal to 13 by 4 years. 13 by 4 years. Next, what is the rate of interest given? Capital R is equal to rate of interest is 4%. What they are asking? We need to find the simple interest. They are asking to calculate simple interest. Formula is PTR by 100. PTR by 100. Now substitute the values. What is the principal amount value is 600 into rate time. What is the time value is 13 by 4 into rate of interest. What is the rate of interest value is 4 divided by 100. Now this one 4 get cancelled. Remaining numerator only 600 into 13 divided by denominator value is 100. Now this 2 zeros get cancelled. Remaining numerator only 6 into 13. 6 into 13 is 78. So finally we got the per year. What is the simple interest amount getting? 78 rupees. This is a required solution. Listen carefully. In before only years they are given, but here the extra 3 months is there. That's why the given 3 months to convert the year. How to convert the year means, yesterday I explained 1 year is equal to 12 months or 365 days or else 52 weeks is there. Months they are given divided by 12. Days they are given divided by 365 days. Okay. So weeks they are given divided by 52 weeks to convert the per year. They are given to calculate simple interest. Principal amount they are given 600 rupees. Only principal amount is 600 rupees for 3 years 3 months. But we are counting only per annum is per year. That's why they are given 3 years 3 months. How to taking time is, listen please, once again I will explaining. Here they given means we are adding 3 years plus 3 months. You are understanding? I am writing 3 years 3 months, but we are counting only years. That's why 3 months to convert to the year. 3 years already is there, 3 only you can write, plus 3 months per year. How many months is there? They are totally 12 months there. That's why given months divided by total number of months in the year. So now cancellation, 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. That's why 3 plus 1 by 4. So now denominator anything is not there, take 1. So what is LCM? Denominator product 1 into 4 is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. After that cross multiplication. 4 into 3. 4 3 ja 12 plus 1 into 1. 1. So the 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 4 years. 13 by 4 years. Okay. So time what is I getting? 13 by 4 means like a 3.22 something you will getting. Okay. This is nothing but 13 by 4 is nothing but 3.222 means 3.2 bar. Or else we can like this we can give that. So what is the time they are getting? 13 by 4. 3 years 3 months. 3 months to convert to the year. That's why 3 divided by total months is per year is 12 months. 3 by 12 nothing but 1 by 4. After taking exam 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 by 4. So now what is the rest? We need to find out simple interest. Simple interest form is PTR by 100. Now we substitute the values. Principal amount is 600 into time t value is 13 by 4. Rate of interest R is equal to 4. Now we have cancellation 4 get cancelled. Remaining what is the left of the remaining numerator? 600 into 13 divided by denominator is 100. 100 1 ja 100 6 ja. 6 into 13 value is 78 rupees per year. What is the simple interest amount they are getting? Totally per year 78 simple interest we are getting. This is a how to calculating simple interest. This is the process. Very easy. All the values there only given. Only we have to calculate simple interest. So do you understand everyone? Left of the question we will discuss tomorrow. Thank you all.